Cause I'm smooth when I move, I'm out of my league but confident. I've had high life but not like this. A good old boy could get used to keeping my shades on inside. I'll just stand back.
Because we need to make our own taste instead of